Have a nice day. I'm going to tell you about the employee ID card creation and NIC ID card creation. So, using the VLOOKUP and image lookup tools. So, first of all, created the drop-down list here, and in drop-down list 501 to 505. We want to create our desire 501 to 600, and we look up using hundred and thousand of people's easily find the database. And first of all, we uh, remove the VLOOKUP here. We want to make the name here, so go to VLOOKUP. Using the VLOOKUP and drop down list also created and selected the drop down list, comma, and select the table array. Okay, selected the table array, and what you want the name is showing in second row. Second row, first row is employee ID, second row is name. Okay, second row we put the second number. Okay, and 0, and okay. Name is showing Alia Ahmed, and image is also showing. If we change the 501, okay, 503, the 503 is Amna, and 27 age, gender female, blood group A negative, contact, and tracking ID. Tracking ID is very important, and we track this ID and match this ID 45467891, 45467891, and we look up the thousand of people using the tracking ID. Okay, thank you very much.